I'm Raynel Escalante. I'm 35 years old and I'm an IT working here in the Philippines, and I decided to join the Unified family. Ever since I was born here, walang malapit na payment center. Lumalabas pa mga tao, and I decided to help out the community na magtayo ng malapit na payment center wherein they can pay their bills and any payments that they need para hindi na sila lalayo sa aming barangay. First of all, nakita ko si Unified through Facebook since naghahanap ako ng business. Kaya Unified ang napili ko is because they provided me with all the options that I need and want in my business. Meron siya remittance, bills payment, and any payment na kailangan mo, they can provide. Ang masasabi ko lang sa mga tao na gustong magnegosyo ay they need to take the leap. Take this as an opportunity to invest. Huwag silang matakot. Lakasan nila ang loob nila. And everything will fall into place. Like, if they invest in Unified, may help out naman sila ng Unified to the whole process. So, huwag silang matakot mag-invest. To all my kabarangays, lahat ng kababata ko, kaibigan ko, ang Unified Balingasa branch ay open na. If you need to pay your bills and any remittances, you can do it at this branch.